Tetralogy of Fallot Repair. This is a view from inside the right ventricle. Pulmonary outflow obstruction is relieved by resecting the infundibular muscle. A patch is used to close the VSD. The pulmonary artery is opened, often across the pulmonary valve. Additional muscle causing pulmonary outflow obstruction is removed. A patch is used to further expand the pulmonary outflow tract. Pre-repair, post-repair. With the VSD closed and the pulmonary outflow tract opened, there is no longer shunting or obstruction to cause cyanosis, as noted by the separation of red and blue blood in the post-repair.